Here's exactly how to make my 3-ingredient honeycomb. My recipe uses honey and it's so easy to whip up. You can literally snack on this all day and it's my favourite no-bake treat. Later in the video, I'll also show you how to clean the honeycomb off your pans, as it can be a nightmare, but I've got a trick which will make it so easy. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So you only need 3 ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of caster sugar. Honestly, get it all prepped and weighed out before you start, because you need to be quick when you make this. Some carb of soda and honey. We want to also prep our tin. All you need to do is grab some baking paper, crunch it up, and pop it in. Voila. The lazy way to line a baking tin, but still effective. So first things first, get a pan and get your sugar into it. Grab a tablespoon and coat it with some oil to stop the honey from sticking to it. And if you're dipping your spoon into a pot of honey, oil the underside of your spoon as well. Measure out 5 tablespoons of honey and get that into your pan. Oh, whoops, such a flick. Barely any honey stuck to the spoon. Such a good trick. Everything's in our pans. Now switch on your stove and put it on really low. So you want to melt down your mixture on low heat until your sugar dissolves into the honey. After 5 minutes, it'll start to form a mass like this. Gradually turn up the heat to medium-low and it'll start to melt down. Once the mixture has turned a bit more liquid, gradually turn up the heat a bit more and you'll see it will go darker in colour and start bubbling a little bit. When it starts bubbling furiously like this is your cue to add in your bicarb of soda. When you add in your bicarb of soda, give it a proper stir and it'll start to really bubble up and expand. Keep stirring for 10 to 20 seconds and it'll keep bubbling up. When it starts to deflate, quickly transfer it into your prepared tin. Smells so good. Get it into your tin, spread it out, and it will cool and harden to form your honeycomb. Work quickly here as it will start to harden fast. Let's just take a moment to appreciate our honeycomb here. Ugh, it just looks divine. While our honeycomb hardens, we can deal with our pan. I've got a really simple trick which will make cleaning it so easy. All you have to do is fill it up with some boiling hot water, get it back on the stove, boil it for 2 minutes, and it'll just come off so easily. Just look at that, stress-free cleaning and without having to put much effort into it. My cup of tea. The best way to store honeycomb is in an airtight container. Do not store it in the fridge, otherwise it will go soggy. Ice cream goes so well with honeycomb, so if you want to check out my 3-ingredient ice cream recipe, please do have a look and hopefully I'll see you next week.